Senate Presido Akpabio don reply Labour Party 2023 presidential candidate Peter Obi over a recent statement wey suggest say the labour of our heroes past don waste. As Akpabio dey talk for one validatory session to honour late Chief Edwin Clark, e advise Obi make im first settle the wahala wey dey inside im party before im go dey think of leading Nigeria. Im say how Obi wan take handle big national problems like insecurity if e no fit settle the small leadership palava wey dey inside Labour Party. Akpabio yarn say anybody wey wan lead Nigeria suppose first show say e sabi manage party matter well as sign say e ready for national leadership. E still talk about the wahala wey social media dey cause. E say na unregulated place wey dey spread fake news and cause political gbege. The Senate Presido come advise all political people, including Obi, make dem first arrange their party before dem dey dream for national office.
Nigeria has an unregulated social media system, so they let them wallow in it and then take a disadvantage situation and propagate all sorts of falsehood and all sorts of narratives. Some of them in the social media were not even born when Edwin Clark was very active in service. And so they couldn't have known some of the things he did that we are remembering today. And yet, when somebody makes a statement that the labors of our heroes past are in vain, I beg to disagree. Let our brother Peter Obi show leadership like Edwin Clark did by resolving first the crisis in the Labour Party. For a man who wants to run Nigeria, you have one of the smallest parties in Nigeria, and you cannot even resolve the crisis in that Labour Party. Is it the crisis of Boko Haram that you will come and resolve in Nigeria? I would like us to be known for what we did when we had the opportunities.
The validatory session wey dem hold na to recognize the work wey Chief Edwin Clark do as senator for Nigeria Second Republic. Senators talk better thing about am, call am person wey dey always fight for justice, defend people wey no get voice, and a national person wey im legacy go continue to inspire many people as dem observe 1 minute silence to honour am. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.